let's get racing at Bristol. So, ready for the Bristol truck race tonight. The, however you say that, thing, race at Bristol, the 200-mile thing. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. We got 351 trucks in the field, and here we go. It's the all-star track for the Nascar FedEx Cup Series, and it's the track in the points for the NASCAR FedEx Truck Series. I'm pretty sure this is the regular finale, too, so, or regular season finale. So we're in the playoffs by 10 points, and I think we're locked in since Blue Angel, I don't think, is here. Is Blue Angel here? My luck he is. But ready for the truck race. Green flag in the air. Let's go trucking at Bristol. I gotta sound like Vince Welsh. Alright. I can't lose 10 points. Just don't lose 10 points, Ethan. I've never missed the FedEx Series playoffs before. I don't want to change that stat. Up to the high side. Oh my god. I really think that's Blue Angel up in P2, of course. That's just my luck. Of course he would be up in the P2. Cannot let him win tonight to score any really good points. Southern. Why'd it get so loose down in there? Alright, I haven't driven at Bristol in a long time. Oh, no, there goes 75. Oh, we had a big one back there. Something bad happened back there. Oh god. Blue Angel on the wall. This is our points battle. I've never been in a points battle before. Feels weird. Oh, 3 YS. Let's pass the 11 truck. Ooh, sorry, Southern. 11 gave me a little bump. 11, really? Really? I know we're racing for points, so you don't have to be dirty. Alright, Southern pushing me down there. I do not want to miss the playoffs. That's just not fun. In the Cup Series, at least, I've never missed the championship for. Oh my god, come on. This truck has to rotate a little better. Southern, I'm gonna keep banging down the door on the 84, or 79 actually. He's 79 in the series. Is that Blue Angel wall riding? Ooh, 10 points taken away. You're not allowed to do that. Alright, here we go. Set sail now. Oh god. How have we gone caution-free? I don't even know what to say at this point. This is the cleanest Bristol race I think I've ever seen in my life. Ooh, pushing each other on the wall there. Catching the 11 truck. Catching everybody in front of us right now. Including Ralph and Dizzy and Blue Angel. Here we go. All over the back over the 11. Coming down here. Starting to get better as the run goes on. Oh god, Dizzy and Ralph are beating off each other. Oh god, there goes Ralph. Blue Angel is slowing me up here. Gotta go somewhere. Oh god! Now I hit the fence. Alright, I gotta get rid of this 11. Not be riding behind him. Because now I've let everybody catch me. Including Bryce, the last person I need right here. 2 laps to go on the stage. I do not need to lose points to Bryce though. Oh god. Alright, hopefully Bryce will pass the 11. Really? He better pass the 11. The car is so good. No. The 11 car kind of... There we go. He's inside of Blue Angel. Why is he wall riding? You're not allowed to do... Really? He's wall riding. Suspension. He's literally wall riding. He just gained spots because of that. That's not fair. No, he was wall riding. Southern said no wall riding. No pitting. Alright, now we're +8. Because Blue Angel was wall riding, of course. Now I'm gonna come down pit road. Makes sense too. I know that. my luck, that'll happen. Alright, here we go. PPC has 1, so is Milk, Dizzy. Oh, if they're above the cut line, then I'm in the having 1 though still. And I would be fine. Felt like such a slow start for some reason. Oh god. Really? Oh my god. Got slammed. Oh my god, he's so slow. Trying to get to the 11's quarter. Bump. There, we're clear. We're faster, I feel like, but we watch us way up the racetrack. Now he's running the high, so it gets a good corner exit. And we're going to switch lanes down into here. He's actually going to drive a little up. Have to get to the bottom, get to the gas better. I need to find my way. We've been, like, stuck together this whole race. Oh, he's in the fence. Still can't get there. That gave him a speed boost, of course. So getting in the fence actually helps you, because that makes sense. I wasn't even trying to wall ride. It was obvious in the final laps of the stage he was. The inside. Oh god, trying to close the door. Oh my god. Really? Oh, he's way down there. Ah! Now get moved out of the way. 11 truck is getting on my nerves. I want to get loose. I mean, tight. 5 laps to go on the stage. The 11 has been annoying all race long. Now he's wall riding, I see. Oh, look at him. That's clear wall riding. Are you kidding me? We're just gonna we're gonna let that slide? That's wall riding, I might as well do it too. That is so clear wall riding. How are we just letting that slide? That should not be... Ah, really? If I did that, I would be immediately called out for it and fined 10 points. Final lap of the stage now. Oh, great. I do not need to lose another position. No, game. On the high side, please work. On the gas. There we go. Caution's out. There we go. Now I lost another point. So now it's all +7. Yeah. You're wall riding. It's so clear. I have a perfect view of it. I can see you pop the wall every single lap. I'm looking at it. You can look at the replay. You're popping the wall every lap. And it's gaining speed. I can see it. You weren't doing it before. I was faster. Now I'm slower. So, you see how that goes? No, look at the replay. Every single lap, you're popping the wall. I'm not stupid. Green flag. Final stage. Just can't lose points now. Oh my god, he's so slow! When he's not wall riding. Come on. Now I got shoved into the wall. Oh my god. Come on, I don't need this right now. Now Dizzy's deciding the wall ride. You have like 20 to go. Oh god. I didn't even wreck Southern. Oh god. What the heck? That was stupid. No caution. Thanks, game. This game is so broken. I'm trying to just file in the line. Oh my god. Oh. Are we gonna have a caution or not? Throw a caution. This game is so stupid. No caution. You idiot of a game. Oh, really? Rail fan. Why'd I ever let him get the bottom? He knew he was just gonna drive it in there. Like there's no tomorrow and just completely destroy me. Come on, now all because of that, my luck is... Everybody's so slow off the... It's there. I'm gonna give him a taste of his own medicine. Show him up there. Won't get to the gas soon enough. Come on. Alright, that should have been a caution. I don't know what this game is doing. Where are my cautions? This game is so stupid. I gotta watch that 11 car. Did wall ride yet? Rail fan! Holding me up, of course. Oh my god, what are you doing? Rail fan! You're such a dirty driver. You complain when I barely touch you. But now, when it's time for you to, you just slam me in the wall. Like, I'm tired of it. And I'm the one that gets... Rail fan never gets anyone mad at him. And I always have people mad at me. For what? I don't barely ever do that stuff, and Rail fan is constantly slamming me into the wall. I mean, it's so stupid. Enough cautions. This race has been terrible. Why is my luck... Thank God. I don't need this. Never missed the FedEx Cup Series, FedEx playoffs. I really don't need this. I'm not gonna pit. Great, now we get the high side. Perfect. I'm not letting Blue Angel win this race. Okay, of course we get the high side. Yay. Not only Rail fan didn't run me out of the room, I would have been on the bottom. Please, can we have a good restart? Green. 9 to go. Under the 11, hell yeah, baby. Rail fan. Can't get to the gas. Great, now I get Bryce behind me. Perfect. Yay. Bryce on his magical speed. Oh my god, really? Oh, BBC! What was that? But BBC was just sat in the middle of the racetrack. I don't know what that was. I'd move up and get into drivers to avoid him. Milk has dominated this race. Oh god. Coming to the green. Me and Blue Angel can't get away from each other. It's just how it always goes. Green flag! course, now he gets the inside, and I got Bryce behind me, too. So this is not going to go well. Please do something on the high side. Push me. Push me back. Milk! Milk! Come on! That was stupid. God. Oh my god. Now, really? Everybody does this to me. I got completely run out of the way by Milk for no reason. Oh, Bryce! Throw a caution! Game, you idiot! Thanks, Milk. Thanks for that. Really appreciated that. I was getting sent up because Milk sent it in on me. Just drove it in. And then he wrecked Bryce. I wasn't trying to wreck you. I'm gonna hit then. Okay. I just basically gotta have one of these non-winners, one of these winners win, and Blue Angel finish behind me. Green flag! Not a good start for Thrill Riders. Just get around him, please. Oh, God. 2 laps to go now. BPC! Ah. I've been ran into. Oh, God, they're 4 wide! No! Come on! Every race! Go! Show me! Game! Show me! You idiot! Show me! Come on! This game is so stupid. Blue Angel finished behind me. Are you kidding me? Don't tell me he was behind in the points. Oh, God. No, he was already in the points, wasn't he? Lucas was already in it. Okay. So, I guess I make the playoffs. I think I made the playoffs. Alright, so I'm in. Okay, thank God. Blue Angel's out. Hard-fought battle. Almost won that race, but Milk. Alright. That's going to wrap it up. Congratulations, Lucas. First FedEx win ever. That'll wrap it up for tonight in the Nascar FedEx Truck Series.